Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to video classes today. Government Degree College, Bhimgal. So, today we are discussing about that. Today we are discussing about that achievements of Telangana diaspora. When someone asks you to name a few prominent and well-known personalities from Telangana, you may name Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao, the former Prime Minister of India, or Mohammad Azharuddin, one of the finest batsmen has seen. Or you may name Rakesh Sharma, the famous cosmonauts. But what about those Telanganatis who live outside India? Can you guess there? So, can you guess there? Can you prominent person from Telangana diaspora? A diaspora consists of people who have left their motherland and have settled abroad in search of better life. Sagar Bogaraju, a scientist whose roots are in Nizamabad, and Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft Corporation, who had his schooling in Hyderabad, are just a couple of examples of achievements from Telangana diaspora. People of Telangana have spread out of settled in various countries across the world. In the USA, they have formed associated such as Tata, Telangana America Telugu Association, Tata, and ATA, America Telangana Association. These and other such associations strongly supported the Telangana movement. They devote a lot of time, energy, and money for the development of Telangana. See that. Someone asks you to the few prominent, well-known personalities in Telangana. Just you count it in the fingers. Who is the former Prime Minister of India? He belongs to Telangana only. Who is that? P.V. Narasimha Rao. P.V. Narasimha means Pamalaparthi Venkata Narasimha Rao. Pamalaparthi Venkata Narasimha Rao. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Okay? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Right? One of the personalities we can discuss about him. And one of the most important person is there in Hyderabad, Mohammad Azharuddin. He belongs to Hyderabad, and he was the finest batsman Indian cricket has seen. Before, he is the finest batsman Indian cricket has seen, or you may name Rakesh Sharma, the famous cosmonaut. But what about those Telanganatis who lives outside India? Can you name prominent persons from Telangana diaspora? Yes, you can. A diaspora consists of people who have left their motherland and have settled abroad in the search of better life. Somebody, they are going to search of better land. Yes, they want to leave the motherland. After that, they will go to abroad, USA, UK. Okay, whatever it may be, they will go to they will go to earn something, money from there. So, do you know that Sagar Bogaraju is a scientist whose roots are Nizamabad, and Satya Nadella, also one of the finest person is there. Satya Nadella also, the CEO of Microsoft Corporation, the CEO of Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft Company. Isn't it what I'm saying? It's nice persons. He was belongs to the CEO company, Microsoft company CEO, Chief Executive Officer. These are belongs to India only, but they migrated to other countries like USA, UK, and London. Whatever it may, they will go and they will search a job. They will settle there. There belongs to only India in Telangana state only. Okay. This Sagar Bogaraj he was a scientist. He belongs to our districts, Nizamabad. Sagar Bogaraj was the he belongs to our district, Nizamabad. So we are discussing about the personality persons, the personalities from Telangana. From his well-known personalities in Telangana is Sagar Bogaraju and Satya Nadella. Also, he is from India. Who had his schooling in Hyderabad are just a couple of examples of achievements from Telangana diaspora. He has finished his schooling in Telangana at Hyderabad. Just couple of examples of achievements from Telangana diaspora. People of Telangana have spread off and settled in various of countries across the world. See that in various countries are there. So there are all belongs to Indians. Just you want to take the Gulf countries also, like Muscat, Dubai, Saudi. 90% people are belongs to Telangana or India only. But 10% only the local people are staying there. Only 10% people. Okay, like that. People of Telangana have spread out and settled in various countries across the world. Across the world. In the USA, they have formed associations such as TATA, TATA, not a Tata company. This is Telangana American Telugu Association. This is the foundation of our Telangana people at America, USA, United States of America. And ATA also is there. One of the founder of the ATA also, America Telugu Association. They are celebrating Telugu cultures and everything Telugu festivals they are celebrating there. Like Batkama, like Deepavali, like Dasara. So many festivals are there. They are celebrating. Same like Telangana. Sankranti also they are celebrating. Same like Telangana people. These are other such associations strongly supported the Telangana movement. They devote a lot of time, energy and money for the development of Telangana. Sometimes the NRIs, non-residents of India, they want to come to there and they were supported to India. Telangana movements also sometimes. The movement of Telangana also, they are strongly supported. These associations are supported to Telangana movements. Telangana it is abroad, keep the culture roots alive by celebrating all the important Telangana festivals on grand scale. Absence makes heart grow. Founder says Shakespeare's this adage proves to be right in the case of Telangana. It is living and working abroad. They are hardworking and they strive to justify the trust they have to rightly earn from their employers. Many of them are linchips of the organizations they work for. They bring laurel to India. See that. So, absence of makes heart grow. Founders says Shakespeare said. This what he said. Absence makes heart grow. Founders. They want to found so many institutions or foundations there. But even though they are interested to work for India, they are interested to work for Telangana people. So the Shakespeare's adage is proved to be right in the case of Telangana. It is living and working abroad. Even though they are living in abroad, but they want to serve to the Telangana and India also. They are hardworking and then strive to justify the trust they have tried rightly earned from the employees. They want to help 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 to employees only who are working there in America or UK, London, Paris, where Switzerland, whatever it may be. The countries are they are went to there to getting the employee. So they are helpful to, they are working hard and they are helping to, they are supporting to India and Telangana also, Telangana peoples also. Many of them limps is organization they work for employees only, they bring lawyers to India. This is the achievement of Telangana diaspora. See that? Okay. If someone asks you to name a few prominent well-known personalities, what you want to say? You can say, yes sir, we are from Telangana state and our former Prime Minister of India, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Pamalaparthi Narasimha Rao, he was belongs to Karimnagar district. Telangana, is it Karimnagar or is Telangana? Is not? Yes, it is. So the people were Hazaruddin also is belongs to Hyderabad. Is also is belongs to Telangana people. There is prominent personalities. They are working make hard. Okay, they making work hard and they will get the something knowledge and they will help to our India and Telangana also. One of the finest batsmen Hazaruddin and is a cricket team association president and he was the first president of Indian cricket team also. And one more thing, Rakesh Sharma, he went into space, aerospace, and first aerospace. Who will went to first aerospace? Rakesh Sharma is the famous cosmonaut. Aerospace means cosmonaut. Cosmonaut అంటే ఇన్ తెలుగు వర్షన్ అంతరిక్షానికి మొట్టమొదటిగా చంద్రమండలాన్ని అధిరోహించినటువంటి మొట్టమొదటి వ్యక్తి ఎవరు? రాకేష్ శర్మ. మొట్టమొదటి వ్యక్తి ఎవరు? రాకేష్ శర్మ. సో బట్ వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ తెలంగాణ ఇట్ ఈస్ హూ లివ్స్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఇండియా. మరి ఈవెన్ దో దే ఆర్ లివింగ్ వితౌట్ ఇండియా, అంటే మన ఇండియాలోనే పుట్టి మన తెలంగాణలో పుట్టి తన యొక్క ఉపాధి కోసం ఇతర దేశాలకు కూడా వెళ్ళడం జరిగిందట. అయినప్పటికీ మన యొక్క తెలంగాణ కోసం ఎంతగానో తోడ్పడినటువంటి వ్యక్తుల్లో వీళ్ళందరూ అగ్రగణ్యులు, ముఖ్యులని కూడా మనం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అర్థమవుతుందా? A diaspora consists of who left their mother land and have settled abroad searches of better life. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం అనుకున్నది ఏంటంటే మన దేశాన్ని వదిలి వెళ్ళాడు అంటే మన దేశం కోసం ఏమైనా సేవ చేస్తున్నాడా? ఎస్, 100%. He will do something to the Telangana movement also. They are making support to Telangana government, Telangana formation and Telangana foundation also. Sometimes they are helping to each and others also. So NREs are always helping to us, non-residents of, even though he belongs to India, but he went to for employee and he is helping to India and Telangana states also. Okay. Sagar Bhogaraju is also very well-known scientist, who roots are Nizamabad. He belongs to Nizamabad, Sagar Bhogaraju. And Satya Nadella is Andhra Pradesh, but even though he is from Andhra before Telangana also. Why it is Telangana? He is schooling education, he was in Hyderabad. That's why he is a CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft. He is a very well-known personality to our people who had his schooling in Hyderabad. Are just a couple of examples we discussing of Telangana diasporas. People have spread out to settled in various countries across the world. Yes, you can, various countries where you can go, they are going to do some work, employment, they are getting employment. But even though they are supporting to Telangana and India also. In America there is a two associations are there. What is two associations in America? Tata, ATA. Tata, TATA, Tata. What is Tata? Telangana America Telugu Association. Telangana America Telugu Association. That is Tata. ATA, America Telangana Association also. Separate both foundations are there. They are helping to India and Telangana people. Okay. They are celebrating each and everything festivals in Telangana, which is belongs to Telangana. people. Like Batkama. Batkama is a big festival. We already discussed in the first semester. Batkama. What is a Batkama? The vibrant, colorful festival of Batkama. So they are all playing in the USA also. That is a fashion, our culture. They are not remembering. They are remembering our cultures. They are celebrating each and every festivals from Telangana, like Dasara, Deepavali, and Batkama, Sankranti, whatever it may be. They are celebrating like that festivals. Even though they are staying in America, but they are much interested in Telangana festivals. They are celebrating Telangana festivals. Okay, and they devote a lot of time, energy, and money for the development of Telangana. They are devoting their sacrifice. Telangana it is abroad keep their culture roots live by celebrating all the important Telangana festivals of grand scale. Absence makes the heart grow, founder says Shakespeare. This adage provokes this be right in the case of Telanganatis living and working abroad. They are hardworking and then strive to justify the trust they have to rightly earn from their employees. Yes, even though they are going to abroad, they are going to UK, USA, London, even though they are supporting, they are devotees to Telangana people. Many of them limb chips of the organizations they work for only Telangana from India. They bring laurels to India also. See that they will ask the questions like this in this examination pattern. Achievement of Telangana. This is a comprehensive passage. What is mean by comprehensive? Already I explained to you in the first class. Comprehensions. What is mean by that? Ability to understand. When I am reading the passage, you should be understand what I am saying, how I am saying, how I am reading. Just you can carefully listen and understand what is the questions in this passage. I will ask you some questions. Define diaspora. What is mean by that? People spread out and settled in the various countries across the world. That is called diaspora, right? Diaspora means people spread out and settled in various countries across the world. It is called diaspora, right? Who is Satya Nadella? Who is Satya Nadella? Just before I pinched that, just before I explained to you, the CEO of Microsoft Corporation. The CEO of Microsoft Corporation. CEO. Do you know what is the abbreviation of CEO? Chief Executive Officer. Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft. Provide the full form of Tata. Maybe he will ask the questions like this. Tata ante enti? Tata ante Tata company కాదు ఇక్కడ. Tata means తెలంగాణ అమెరికా తెలుగు అసోసియేషన్. తెలంగాణ అమెరికా తెలుగు అసోసియేషన్. How do Telanganatis living abroad keep their culture roots alive? See that by celebrating all the important Telangana festivals on a great scale. I already explained to you that. Which is the Telangana celebrating the festivals like Batkama, Dasara, Deepavali, Sankranti, like that festivals. They are celebrating grand in this America or London or whatever, UK, United Kingdom. They will much interested to celebrating the Telangana festivals. Why? They are belongs to Telangana people. That's why they are interesting. They are showing interesting that. Okay. And which are days provokes rights in the case of Telangana it is living abroad explain. Absence make the heart grow founder. See that they are making a founder of the institutions ATA and TATA. They are established there in the America. Even though they are sacrificed their lives to support to India, support to Telangana people. They are much interesting that. They're much interesting that. That's why. Okay, this is a achievements of Telangana diaspora, right? Right. Telangana's global presence. Telangana's global presence. So this is also reading comprehension for students. This is very important. Telangana's global presence is very important to us. So Telangana is a very well known on its way of becoming in IT hub and will soon replace Bangalore as the IT capital of India. Right? Telangana is very well on its way of becoming on IT. What is mean by IT? Information technology. What is that? Information technology. An IT hub will soon replace Bangalore as the IT capital of India. Right? Now we are discussing about that IT capital of India. Which is the IT capital of India? Bangalore. So before previous Bangalore, but now it was become a Hyderabad. The IT capital is become a Hyderabad. Right? Which is replaced Bangalore IT is from Hyderabad IT. Right? The initiation taken from the our IT minister. Who is that? KTR. K. Taraka Ramarao is the IT Minister of Telangana State, right? This will surely pave the way to global presence. Telangana is path of progress and effectively using technology transformation its economy, isn't it? Corporate against such as the so many companies are established in Hyderabad like Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Qualcomm, Google and Apple. We have to choose states as their second home. Huge investments have already in that been made by the Apple, Amazon, Google and Arbor. Who will set up their second largest centuries in that state? The Minister of IT. The Minister of IT, KT Ramarao, Taraka Ramarao, the son of our KCR, Chief Minister of Telangana State. Some sit of Hyderabad is the biggest bank of our buck for all those investing here. Okay. So some of the remarkable announcements that have already been made included. Okay. The Telangana is very well known its way to becoming an IT hub and will soon be replaced of Bangalore as the IT capital of India, right? And they surely pave the way of the global presence, isn't it? What is the global presence? In so many countries, they are establishing companies like Apple, like Tata, like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, like that companies. But nowadays they are showing interest to establish the Telangana state. Why? Because the formation of Telangana is newly established state. So the business were very well to doing that. That's why all corporation companies are try to set it in Hyderabad only. One of the progress is effectively using technology transform its economy also. Maybe they will develop the economy also. Corporate segments such as the which is companies are there? Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Qualcomm, Google and Apple. These companies are there already in established in the second home. Second home means first home is another country. For second home is in our Hyderabad. Used investments have already deposit in the Telangana state. Yes, easy to establish a company. They are making a rules to easy to establish the companies. That's why. Who will take initiation from that? The Minister of IT, KT Ramarao. Some sits up, right? Hyderabad is the biggest and largest centers in the state. The Minister of IT, KT Ramarao, some sits up. Hyderabad is the bank for the buck up for the investments here. See, all are coming to, they will invest the Hyderabad only. Some of the remarkable announcement of that have already been made, included. What is that? IKEA, 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 the world's largest furniture retails, announced that it will be setting up its first store in India in Hyderabad, which is likely to open nearly in early 2017. IKEA company established in Hyderabad 2017, already established there. Which company? Furniture company. That is the IKEA is a furniture company, right? Timothy Cook, the CEO of Apple. Timothy Cook, the CEO of Apple company. Who is the Microsoft company CEO? Satya Nadella, like that. The CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Apple company. Who is this? Timothy Cook. Timothy. Timothy. Timothy Cook, the CEO of Apple company, has chosen Hyderabad to settle up Apple's second largest technology. Apple's second largest technology. That. Okay. The first company is there, which country? Apple company? US, United States of America, like that. So, in this regarding, we can discuss about the all companies established in Hyderabad and as second IT hub like Karnataka, now becoming a IT hub where it is in Hyderabad also. Established there, right? So many they are showing interested to investment of. They are showing interest of investment of a lot of money in the Hyderabad only, and the entire will focus on developing Apple Maps and expected to provide the direct employment to around 4,500 people. See that the established company, maybe established company in the Apple, they are recruited to unemployment. Nearly we are getting jobs 4,500 people. They are settled in the Apple company. So they are giving job security also sometimes. Okay. The Google CEO. Who is the Google CEO? Sundar Pichai. Who is the Microsoft CEO? Satya Nadella, like that. Okay. The Google company also established in Hyderabad. The Google CEO is the Sundar Pichai has announced his company's plan investment 1,000 crores to establish its biggest South Asian Development Center at Hyderabad. Google company also established there. Nearly 1,000 crores. They invested 1,000 crores. It's the biggest South Asian Development Center. Its largest campus outside of the US also sometimes. At Hyderabad, it is likely to provide employment for 6,000 people. See that. Apple company, they will provide 4,500 jobs, employment. Like that, Google also, they will take the people employment, provide employment for 6,000 people in 7.2 acres facility at Gachibowli in the city. The e-commerce against the Amazon, including, will open its biggest campus outside the US in Hyderabad by 2019. When we got the Telangana state 2014, after that the all companies are invested to establish their companies, investment and establish their companies. 17, 19, they will establish it in the US companies also. Urban opened its Center of Excellence of 26th February 2017 with the aim of providing support to both riders and drivers. The center will have to team of more than 500 customers, service specialists to provide 24 into 7. Assistants can call and they will be proficient in multiple local languages to address the support issues from across the country. See that. Urban opened its Center of Excellence of 26th February 2017. They are established company also with the aim of providing support to both riders and drivers. Right. The center will be a team of more than 500 customers. It is easy to not like that. 500 customers means it's a very good service specialists to provide the 24 hours, 24 into 7 means always open the stores. Assistants and they will be proficient multiple local languages to address the support issues from the across the country. Yes. Suppose just I'm giving example to you. So many countries coming to Hyderabad to investment in the companies. In their view of that, in Hyderabad, for example, Dubai people come to Hyderabad, they will speak in which language? Arabic language. If you don't know Arabic, how you can? Is it possible to sell the items? No, it's not possible for that. So how it is? You should be aware of that. So many kinds of people, Malayalam, Tamil, Karnataka, Arabic, they want to choose people like that. Okay. For example, this before we discussing that P.V. Narasimha Rao, Prime Minister of India, he knows multi-linguistic languages, more than 16. He knows very well about that. He wrote so many books also like that. So if you want to learn language, what is the problem is that? So kinds of language you can learn. For example, I know 6 languages. How I can? Just I am making interest for that. So you want to little bit aim. Yes, I want to learn. You want a goal. You choose the language. Yes. Sir, English is very big language. We don't know spellings. Somebody is saying like that. It's not possible like that. If you want to show your performance, you should get the knowledge in English also. English is a globalized language, is easy language. Globalized language is easy, world language. If you want to go to another state, how you can speak? They don't ask you in Telugu, నీ పేరేంటి, నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చినావు, in Telugu version. They don't ask you like that. Yes, may I know your good name please? He will ask you the English. Suppose you want to go to interview, they will ask the questions in English only. Even though in degree level you will get the 100% marks in your subject, no doubt about it. 100% marks you will get the subject, no doubt about it. But even though they will ask you questions in English only. So commerce, you will get 100 marks, 100 by 100. But they don't pinch you, they don't ask you commerce subject. They will ask you through the English language only. Yes. How many steps passing from me? You will ask questions like that. So that's why you should learn something language. You can improve your language first. So in Telangana's global presence also, so many companies are there. They will talk in all languages, multilingual languages. Right? So the e-commerce against Amazon will open biggest campus outside of US in Hyderabad when it is by 2019 established there. Urban Open Center's Excellence of 26th February 2017 with the aim of providing support to both riders and drivers. I said to you, the center will have two teams of more than 500 customer service specialists to provide 24 into 7 assistants, and they will be prominent in multiple local languages to address support issues from across the country. Facebook and Microsoft have been running successful operation in Telangana. Why? They are doing like that business. They will establish so many companies like that. They will gain knowledge and they will put the customer support. They will working make hard work. They will doing 24 into 7 always. Okay, and it is the investor friendly, given push to the startup ecosystem that is right. In the investor friendly industrial policy pursued by the state, he made be preferred destination for foreign investments. See that. So why they are established in the company? I am pinching you or I am reminding you. The rules are state, easy to establish the companies. They do not take much money from the other countries like that. Okay. The investors friendly industrial policy by the state has made its preferred destination for foreign investments. Foreign investments. So that's why the all our companies coming to establish the investment of the money in Hyderabad, right? So I hope that maybe you understand. Shall I ask a question from the reading comprehension passage, Telangana's global presence? Yes, I will discuss. We will discuss that. How the question pattern from coming in the examination pattern. He will ask the questions like this: who will soon replace the Bangalore as Indian's IT capital? Already I explained to you. That is Telangana. What is that? Telangana. Who is the IT minister of Telangana? You should be aware of that. You should be aware of that. You know little bit example for that. K.T. Ramarao. K.T. Ramarao is Taraka Ramarao, the son of KCR. Chandra Shekhar Rao son. Who is that? Chandrasekhar Rao means the Chief Minister of Telangana State. Name of the world's largest furniture retailers companies are there in Hyderabad, like IKEA, IKEA, the world's largest furniture retailer, right? Name of some of the companies which are planning to investment Telangana: Apple, Google, Amazon, and Uber. Site of the reason why Telangana has become a preferred destination for foreign investments. The investors friendly industrial policy by the states. The investor friendly industrial policy by the states. That's why they are coming to establish so many countries are there, so many companies are there. That's Apple, Amazon, IKEA, or whatever it may be. They will establish it in Hyderabad. Okay. And one more thing. This is when I'm reading the passage, you should be ability to understand what I'm saying. Okay. This is the Telangana global presence, right? And later on we will discuss that folk role or folk theatre of Telangana also. Folk theatre of Telangana. We will discuss that later on. What is the folk roles? Folk dance. Do you know what is the meaning of that? Folk dance means జానపద నృత్యాలు అంటున్నాం. తెలంగాణలో అతి వినడానికి ఇంపైనటువంటి పాటలు జానపద నృత్యాలు అనేటివి ఉంటాయి తెలంగాణలో. ద ఫోక్ డ్యాన్స్ ఆ ఫోక్ థియేటర్ అంటున్నాం. ఓకే. సో later on we will discuss that, and now just I will explain to you a little bit on that. What is that Oggu Katha? The Oggu Katha is an important folk of art of Telangana. It is comprises songs. It is praise of folk gods such as Mallanna Katha, Birappa, and Ellamma Katha. Like that they are folk dance, folk songs are giving to entertainment to people in Telangana state. It's performed exclusive by the, who is that, Kurma Golla communities. Always they are performed that exclusively Kurma Golla communities. One of the community that the performers move from the village to village, narrating legends, and in the process of spreading the traditions of customs communities. What is their traditions? They are participating in that folk dances and folk songs also. Folk songs also. So they are trying to get the knowledge in there only. Why? Because their life is only depend on their folk dances or folk songs only. So that's why. Okay. And thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Today's class is completed. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning today. Thank you, one and all.